In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook account. So first you click on Facebook, and you want to click on create new account. Then you want to click create new account. Now you want to put your first and last name. Learn and fix. And now I just placed my channel name here. Next, select your name. Learn and fix. Let's just use a different name. So learn and fix 344. Hopefully this should work. Oh, I can't have them. Okay, then I'm not sure why there's learn and fizz. I don't know why it's happening. Select your name. You typed learn and fix names, and I think this should be good. I don't know why they're not allowing me to do this. Learn and fix. Next. Learn and okay, whatever. Let's just learn and fix. This one is good. And then you click next. And then you're gonna put your date of birth. I'm gonna put my date of birth right here. And okay, and set. Now you're gonna click next. Now click choose your gender. Next. What's your mobile number? Here I'm gonna sign up with an email, so I don't need a mobile number. Then this should work. Now I'm just gonna put my password. I'm not gonna show you. Okay, I just placed the password. Now click next. Now let's cancel this. Save your login information. I'm just gonna click save this for better. Now I'm just gonna click agree, and here you basically have created a Facebook account. Just wait a few minutes here, and it should work. Okay, I have a confirmation code. I'm just gonna get that confirmation code from here. I'm gonna go out of this app and go to my Gmail. Okay, and I should receive a code right here. Okay, that's the code. So it's 7756. Okay. Seven 566, and then click next. And then you just wait a few moments here, and it should work. You could add a profile picture here, but I'm just gonna leave it blank for now. And here it says welcome to Facebook. I'm gonna turn not now, skip, and that's it. I'm just gonna skip not now, skip, next, skip, and this is basically how you create a Facebook account. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.